Breaking news: AI tools are revolutionizing the way we make money online. With the rise of artificial intelligence, it's now possible to earn $500 a day using the right tools. According to recent statistics, the AI market is expected to reach $190 billion by 2025. This is a critical moment for anyone looking to invest in AI. With the right strategy, you can capitalize on this trend and start earning a significant income. Welcome to our channel, where we provide exclusive tips and insights on how to make money online using AI tools. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more content like this. Our goal is to help you achieve financial freedom using the latest technology and trends. We'll be covering topics such as finance, investment, and business, so be sure to stay tuned for more updates. The AI revolution has been years in the making, with significant advancements in machine learning and natural language processing. According to a report by Google, the number of AI-powered tools has increased by 50% in the past year alone. This trend is expected to continue, with more businesses adopting AI to improve efficiency and productivity. As a result, the demand for AI-powered tools is higher than ever, creating new opportunities for entrepreneurs and investors. Now here's where it gets interesting: the best AI tools for making money online are not just limited to finance and investment. There are also opportunities in areas such as marketing, healthcare, and education. For example, AI-powered chatbots can help businesses automate customer service, while AI-powered analytics can help healthcare professionals diagnose diseases more accurately. The key is to find the right tool for your needs and to learn how to use it effectively. But that's not all. The best AI tools also offer a range of features and benefits that can help you maximize your earnings. For example, some AI-powered tools offer automated trading, while others provide real-time market analysis. According to a report by Tesla, the use of AI in finance can increase profits by up to 20%. With the right tool, you can make informed decisions and stay ahead of the competition. Now, what I'm about to tell you next is something most people completely miss: the importance of education and training when it comes to using AI tools. According to a report by Amazon, 80% of businesses that adopt AI fail to see significant returns due to lack of training and expertise. This is a critical point, as it can make all the difference between success and failure. With the right education and training, you can unlock the full potential of AI and start earning a significant income. The key to success with AI tools is to find the right one for your needs and to learn how to use it effectively. According to a report by Google, the top AI tools for making money online include TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras. These tools offer a range of features and benefits, including automated trading, real-time market analysis, and machine learning algorithms. With the right tool and the right training, you can start earning a significant income and achieving financial freedom. But what about the impact of AI on the job market? According to a report by the World Economic Forum, AI could displace up to 75 million jobs by 2025. However, it could also create up to 133 million new jobs, particularly in areas such as AI development, deployment, and maintenance. This is a critical point, as it highlights the need for education and training in AI and related fields. With the right SS and knowledge, you can stay ahead of the competition and achieve financial freedom. So, what does this mean for you personally? The good news is that AI tools are more accessible than ever, with many options available for beginners and experts alike. According to a report by Apple, the number of AI-powered apps has increased by 50% in the past year alone. With the right tool and the right training, you can start earning a significant income and achieving financial freedom. The key is to stay informed, stay educated, and stay ahead of the competition. Looking to the future, it's clear that AI will continue to play a major role in shaping the economy and the job market. According to a report by Microsoft, AI could increase productivity by up to 40% by 2030. This is a critical point, as it highlights the need for businesses and individuals to adapt and evolve in response to changing trends and technologies. With the right SS and knowledge, you can stay ahead of the competition and achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you liked this content, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. We'll be covering more topics on AI, finance, and business, so stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to check out our other videos on how to make money online using AI tools. With the right knowledge and SS, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life you deserve.